This is chamomile, apple, lemon, and honey tea. It's good, huh, Silverwing? Yep, 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 yep. I love how you drink and eat. You're so special. So dignified. Ooh. Good stuff, huh? And you woody woody. Oh, yep. Flap those flappers, flap those flappers, flap those flappers, Silverwing. Flap those flappers, flap those flappers, flap those flappers, Silverwing. Whee! Ah! Wee! Flap those flappers on high, flap those flappers to the sky. We love you. We love you. Whoa. Ooh. You're so beautiful, Silverwing. You eat that. Yep. You little character. Ooh. 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 Oh, you're so beautiful, Silverwing. Ooh. I love you. Gorgeous being. So bright. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, great with that, aren't you? Wow. Ooh. It's beautiful, Silverwing. Ooh. Hey, sweetie. Ooh. Aww. It's beautiful how you hold that. Yeah, you do it so well, too. Ooh, wow. 1,001 ways with cherry. You're so good at that. Ooh, Silverwing. You know you're being recorded, don't you? Yeah. It's delicious, isn't it? Yep, 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 yep. It'll take 10, 15 minutes to eat this with such pleasure. I learned so much from you. Wow. That's impressive, Silverwing. Ooh. Wow. This can go on forever. Take two. You've been holding it up probably 5, 10 minutes already. And you're just amazing with that. How long you can eat that cherry. Yep, enough. Let's move on to the next thing. Hallelujah, Silverwing. there. Yeah. I love how you eat that Silverwing. Oh, I love to pet you. Oh, I love you. Oh, sweetheart, I love you so much. Oh. Oh. Nice for you to come close to me. Hello. This is Silverwing eating a peanut. You eat it in the most dignified way, sweetie. Look at that. How you take your time. Such dignity. 10 minutes for a peanut. Well, sometimes less. Excuse me. Do you feel like you're on camera, Silverwing? You might. Yes. Yes. I love how you eat that. It's so beautiful, sweetie. Oh, hello. I love you too. Don't let me stop you. Yeah. Even a peanut can be so wonderful. That's right, huh? Look how you treat it so well. I learned so much from you. Ooh. Hey, sweetheart. I love the way you eat that Silverwing. Very exacting moves. Yes. Oh, sweetheart. This is still eating one peanut. Isn't that amazing? Wow. It's really amazing to me, Silverwing, how long you can take with something and enjoy every little bite. That's really a wonder to behold. Ooh. Hello there. Greetings. Yes, here's looking at you. Yes. Yes. Silverwingly walkly woo. Yes. Hello. Hello. I'd love to pet your head here. Oh, oh, sweet. Oh, Silverwing, you're so precious. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, on the other side now? Okay. A little bit under here and over there, and don't stop ever. Ow! Well, all right there. Okay. Yep, yep. Oh, yeah. You said it again. That's right. Silverwing. Slap those slapperoos, you woolly woo. Slap them down. Yeah, slap those slapperoos, you woolly woolly. Shake the squawk and the woolly one out.